How to uninstall or delete apps on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Open the app drawer on your device. Long press the app you want to remove. Here you can see uninstall option. Tap on uninstall. Now tap on OK to uninstall the app from your device. You can use app settings. Go to settings. Scroll down up to apps. Tap on apps. Now scroll down and select the app you want to uninstall. Here we select this. Here we select the Amazon. Now you can see uninstall option from the bottom middle. Tap on uninstall. Tap on OK to uninstall this app from your Samsung device. You can't uninstall the system default apps on your Samsung device. You can also use Play Store to delete multiple apps at the same time. Open the Play Store. Tap on a profile icon from the top right corner. Tap on manage apps and device. Tap on manage. Here you can list of see all installed apps. Select the application you want to remove. Now here you can see three multiple apps. Tap on a trash icon from the top right corner to remove multiple apps. If you don't want to remove multiple apps, just tap on an app you want to uninstall. Tap on uninstall. Tap on uninstall to uninstall all update of this app. So it's quite easy to remove or delete apps on your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. That's it. If you like it, share it.